ladies and gentlemen. It is Maria Hidos, and a couple of announcements to make. So first of all, unfortunately tomorrow I do have a flight lesson, but I don't know if I'm going to make I don't know if we're actually going to go up in the air because forecast for Chicago calls for rain and stuff like that. So my instructor may cancel. Sorry. Yeah, I just sent my instructor a text. Oh, and he didn't respond yet, so I don't know, where he's at. But anywho, so there's probably not going to be a plane spotting episode tomorrow, due to it might be raining and stuff like that. So that's probably not going to happen for another week or so. So for any of those plane spotting fans on my channel, I'm really, really sorry. However, I do got a video for the unboxing fans. So this is an unboxing kind of video, only because I like unboxing and I like to, yeah, I just like to make them on YouTube. So anyways, here's the product that we have. So we have this. It's an iPad, 32 gig, brand new. Here's the box of it. And here is in silver. And yeah, it was about $315 or something like that from Walmart. And I haven't opened it yet, but I'm gonna do it on camera because I love making these kinds of videos. But anyways, it's just by Apple. Nothing too fancy here. But anyways, I'm taping on my MacBook Air right now. Just easier, so we're just gonna do this. Much easier if we just do it. Actually, camera needs to go more down. Okay, so there you go. You guys do see the product, hopefully. So anyways, this is it. We're gonna actually unbox. It's a nail filer. It should work. Should work. Should work. It's pretty of a sharp object, so. Oh yes, it did work. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see what's in this box. Okay, so here we go. Is this camera getting it? Alright, there we go. Here we go. I'm so excited. I used to own the iPad mini, but that will not take updates anymore. So I'm going to sell that online for some cash. Buybackroll.com. Oh god, I'm so scared to open this. Why? Because I'm afraid the device will fall right out. We're gonna get this, holy smokes. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Definitely gonna look into buying a case for it. Oh my god. Look at this. Guys, just take a look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look at this. Guys, I'm going to use this tonight because I actually bought a movie through iTunes and I want to watch it. And better to watch it on this kind of device. Like I said, the iPad mini, I'm going to sell it online, but this is it. Because I bought that iPad mini at least 4 or 5 years ago. But look at this. Holy shit. Let's see what else is included in the box. So we got, I guess these are instructions. I really don't think you need them. This is like your standard USB thing, which, yeah, I'm going to probably need because it's different than the normal one. So there you have it. That will connect to this. This is his charger. It looks kind of like the MacBook. Wow, this is so cool. It smells so good in here. So the good thing I like is that you can you just plug this in like so, like this. Believe it or not, guys, you can even charge an iPhone with this. As long as it has that capability, you can charge it like that. You can charge an iPhone with that, which I think is cool. I don't think it comes with headphones. I don't think it does. Yeah, I don't think so. It feels awfully light. But yeah, that's basically what's in the box. Nothing else to it. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I'm so psyched. I finally got one of these because, like I said, the iPad mini is really outdated. It doesn't even have Touch ID on it. But here's what this looks like. Put the charger on the side. It might need some charging. Alright, you guys ready? Here we go! Oh, there you go. This looks like it's in space gray. I don't think it's in silver. But that's the color I wanted anyways. Right, here it comes. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Whoo wee wee wee. What a device. Look at this. My god, just look. It's going to be full of fingerprints eventually, but just take a look at this. Oh my god. Just look at this, ladies and gentlemen. You can even see the MacBook recording. But yeah, look at this. My god. I just can't wait to power it on. It's got like Touch ID on it. It literally it has a camera right here. It's just so nice. Yeah, and like I said, I kind of needed an upgrade, guys, because like I said, my mini's downstairs, but yeah, this is my new device. I'm definitely gonna look into getting a case for it eventually because, yeah, it's an expensive device, but my god, yeah, I'm gonna actually have probably a separate video setting it up. My cameras are in the room, so hope you enjoyed this unboxing part, and now we are going to have setup, so hope you enjoyed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've currently taken over on the Samsung HMX W200, only because the W300 needs charging, so I'm probably going to end up charging it later on tonight, but anyways, we're taking over on this camera. So yeah, my MacBook did stop recording. But yeah, this is the device. Here's a closer look at it, because I'm pretty sure that from the Mac you couldn't really see well, but there it is. Wow. Like I said, I really needed an update, guys. You know, I really needed a brand new update, you know. And look at this, it matches my phone. Just take a look at that. Good Instagram photo right there. Maybe I'll take one with my iPod, but yeah. Hopefully it doesn't need charging. If not, we'll throw it in the outlet and we'll do it. Oh shit, it powered. Sorry for my language. But we are going to do setup in this video. Again, I do apologize for not making a plane spotting episode this week. I know you guys really like them, but tomorrow it's forecasted to rain. Oh my god, what beauty. Hold on, guys. Let's scoot this forward. Battery is at 85, so it's workable. I don't even know. Okay. So it's going to ask your basic questions. Of course, we're going to use English. United States. And my network. So let me type in my password. So pause here. Alright, we resume. I do apologize, guys. So now this should be, it's under Wi-Fi. As you can tell, it's working under my network right now. So I got that. We're going to enable location services. Yes, we're going to use Touch ID. So one sec. Alright, so now it's asking us to create a passcode. I want it to be 4 digits if possible. One sec. Okay, so yeah, we want 4 digits. So you guys don't have to get hang on. So like I said, guys, it is personal. Restore from iCloud backup, absolutely. So now it's asked me to sign in with iCloud, so give me a sec here. Okay, so then you have two-step verification. I'm going to go ahead and approve that from my phone. So just give me a second. Sorry, it is like a requirement now. Okay, so yeah, I just got it from my iPhone and told me the password. So then it's asking you about the terms and conditions. I don't know if you guys are getting this in the picture. So you just hit agree. And then it'll take a few minutes to set up Apple ID. Sometimes it could take literally a long time. So it really depends. It's asking you to choose a backup, which we will. And like I said, I mean, we're going to do Alright, so now this thing is going to get iOS 11.2, which is the latest. Okay, so let me enter my passcode. Okay, because that's one thing. And I think you can actually, like, respond to messages through this. Like, if you get a text through your phone, I'm pretty sure that you can actually do texts on it. So, yeah. So it's gonna, I don't know what iOS this comes with, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, it could take a good 10 minutes or so just to do a software. So now what it's doing is it's downloading the iOS 11.2. After that, it should be good. I'm not going to worry about plugging this in. I think it should be okay for this update. So yeah, about 9 minutes or so, and then it'll do its update. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pick this up once it gets closer. So yeah, once it starts changing, we will begin again. So that's it for now. Alright guys, here's a quick update. I'm working on doing some editing on here, but right now it is actually updating its hardware to iOS 11.02. So yeah, it's going to take it a little while to do its upgrade, and I will roll the camera again once we get more progress. So that's it for now. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here is yet another quick update. So basically we are waiting for iOS 11.2. So I might just have the camera rolling here. Excuse me. Alright, let's take a look at this update here. Sorry guys, it is almost done. Woohoo! And again, I'm probably going to take an Instagram photo of all my Apple products, because I've got literally a lot of that, including that watch down there. Apple Watch, iPhone, and all that. It's about almost done, just hanging there. My God. Okay, you guys do not need to see it. Okay, so now it wants me to sign in. So I'm going to do that in just a sec here. Okay, so it's updating iCloud settings at this point. Could take a few minutes here, guys. I do apologize. And if you guys are ever wondering if I'm going to buy a case for this, I'm actually going to, because the case that I got for the iPad mini actually is not going to fit this thing. It's very obvious. So this is an old email address I no longer have, so we're going to skip that. And so now it's just doing a basic restore from iCloud. So all the apps that I have on my iPhone, for example, all the apps I have should get restored here. I do have a movie I actually got from iTunes, and so tonight I'm actually going to watch it before bed. So it's definitely going to be very enjoyable on the iPad. So I'm really, really excited. Update, this won't take long, it's obvious. Okay, so it shouldn't take too long, much longer here. And once we get all the apps, we should be good. We should end the video there. Whoa, ho, ho. All right, here we go. Okay, sorry guys, because I know you guys are like, what? So here we go with its new software. It may take it sometime, it may not. Let's just keep the camera recording. Okay, let's see if my Touch ID will work. Yay, it did. Which actually, guys, I really do like Touch ID. It's just better than just entering the PIN. And battery didn't die much. Battery's pretty good. So now it says it'll take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID, so we'll give it a minute here. I haven't started using this yet, so I gotta set it up for my bedtime movie tonight. Okay, so we're not going to do Apple Pay because none of my cards will actually go through. We could do Siri another time. Share with app developers. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, sorry. And switch between recent apps so you can swipe up. So kind of watch what he's doing. That is freaking cool. And it says welcome to iPad. Whoa, baby. Baby, oh baby. Sorry, I need to like behave. Okay. And there are my apps. So we have Gmail, FlightAware's done. I'm not sure. Well, I have the. This is cool. This is so much better than the. I can actually do messaging on this thing. Okay, so I do have to sign in because you can actually do respond to text. So hold on, I'm gonna sign in to my So what this means is, like, if I get any text messages, they should all get restored there if everything works out. So, in other words, whatever I get here, I can respond here. Which, usually that's not the case. Might take a few minutes with restore to happen, I'm not sure. Yeah, but any text messages I get will come here. So that's that app. Then you got iTunes. Literally, you got almost all the apps. Trying to download here, so it's really cool. And yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up button. And in about a week from today, I will give you guys an update. So that's it.